In 1822, a peculiar incident in Paris caught the attention of scientists. A young man named Pierre began hiccuping uncontrollably. His hiccups were so loud they echoed through the streets, drawing curious crowds. Doctors were baffled as Pierre's diaphragm spasms seemed unstoppable. Could this be a curse or a medical mystery? As days turned into weeks, Pierre's hiccups became a sensation, sparking debates about the human body. Finally, a herbalist's concoction of mint and honey provided relief. Pierre's case led to the first study of hiccups, forever changing medical understanding. Curious about more oddities? Hit like and subscribe.